Hi guys, welcome back to SP Global Solution. So in last part in software testing tutorial, we discussed about that what are the types involved in software testing. So today we are going to discuss about the what are the needs of the software testing. Okay, now our topic is needs of software testing. So why we are doing software testing in IT companies? This is the question. So why? Because they have a major needs. One is to find defect inside the development environment. Development environment. And second thing, to deliver a quality software to customer. And to reduce software failure chances in market, and to save money and to save time. Okay, so we are mentioned the needs here. Okay, so coming to the explanation, first I mentioned here to find a defect inside the development environment. You can see to find defect inside the development environment. So what is the finding the defect inside the development environment means? Guys, if you are developing one software, so you need to release in market, and it should be making your organization or making your reputation will high. If you are not tested that application, if you are released into market, if end user means nothing but a market user, if market user can find any defect in a market, okay, then that will making a huge amount of loss to your company. Why? Because if end user can find any defect in a market, he will give a negative review on your application, and each and every person will interact with the negative easily. If you are finded the defect inside the development environment, if market user can find, it is make a loss. If you are find your defect inside the development environment, there is a chance to rectify the defect. If you are finded the defect inside the development environment, there is a chance to rectify your defect. And second thing is to deliver a quality software. When you are finded the defects and you are solved it, you are going to make sure that my software is quality. Why? Because we are tested lot of types of testings. Now third point is to reduce software failure chances in market. So if the defect was finded by end user, then only failure will occur, but the defect was finded inside the development environment, so that's why there is a no chance to get failures in the market. And coming to that, to save money, what is the save money means? Okay, when you are developing the application by using some 1 crore or 50 lakhs of budget, if you are deliver a quality software, more people can use our application, we will get our money returns. So that's why we can save our money if you are do proper testing. And final thing is time. So you are efforted some 1 to 2 years of time to develop that software. So simply think, if you are tested application very good, so easily you can save your time. Okay guys, so these are the needs of software testing. So guys, I hope the video is useful to you, and if you are like these videos, please guys like and keep your supporting in comment box. And thank you for supporting the SP Global Solution. Keep supporting.